Hello learners and welcome to our course module on classroom management. I'll be your trainer, Joy Ngogi. Learning outcomes. By the end of the course, the learner should be able to 1. Define classroom management. 2. Understand classroom environment and discipline. 3. Establish expectations in a classroom. 4. Build classroom relationships in a class. And 5. Engagement and motivation in classrooms. Classroom management is the process trainers use to ensure that classroom sessions run smoothly without disruptions to ensure the delivery of instruction. Classroom management is a critical aspect of teaching. It involves creating and maintaining a positive, productive, and orderly learning environment. Effective classroom management strategies help trainers establish expectations, manage learner behavior, promote engagement, and maximize learning opportunities. It requires leadership and a sense of compassion and understanding of your learners. Classroom environment and discipline. Classroom environment. Physical layout. Resource accessibility. Comfortable seating positions. Positive atmosphere. Classroom discipline. Establishing clear expectations. Enforce rules and consequences fairly and consistently to maintain order and discipline in the classroom. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as praise, encouragement, and rewards to acknowledge and reinforce desired behaviors. Maintain open lines of communication with learners, parents, and colleagues to address concerns and provide feedback. Teach learners conflict resolution skills and provide opportunities for them to practice resolving conflicts peacefully and constructively. Establishing expectations in a classroom. Clearly define behavioral expectations for learners in the classroom. Communicate the expectations to learners in a clear and straightforward manner. Use simple language and provide examples to illustrate each expectation. Model the behaviors that you expect from learners in the classroom. Demonstrate respect, active listening, cooperation, and other desired behaviors in your interactions with learners and colleagues. Involve learners in the process of establishing classroom expectations to promote ownership and accountability. Encourage learners to contribute their ideas and suggestions for classroom rules and behavior guidelines. Acknowledge and reinforce learners' adherence to the expectations with positive reinforcement. Building relationships in a classroom. Get to know your learners. Greet learners warmly. Show empathy and understanding. Be approachable and available. Practice active listening when interacting with learners. Establish open and positive communication channels. Encourage learners to express themselves freely and respectively. Embrace diversity and promote inclusivity in the classroom by celebrating learners' cultural backgrounds, identities, and experiences. Promote personalized support and guidance to learners based on their individual needs, interests, and learning styles. Cultivate a classroom culture based on trust, respect, and mutual support. Be consistent, fair, and transparent in your actions, decisions, and demonstrate integrity with professionalism in your interactions with learners. Engagement and motivation in classrooms. Clearly communicate learning objectives and expectations to learners. Foster a supportive and inclusive classroom environment where learners feel safe, respected, and valued. Use active learning strategies that engage learners in hands-on, experiential learning experiences. Allow learners to select topics, projects, or assignments that align with their interests and preferences. Make learning relevant and meaningful. Connect classroom content to learners' interests, experiences, and real-world contexts to make learning more relevant and meaningful. Employ a variety of instructional strategies and approaches to accommodate diverse learning styles and preferences. Offer timely and constructive feedback to learners on their progress, performance, and achievements. Create opportunities for collaboration, peer interaction, and cooperative learning in the classroom. Establish high expectations for learner achievement and performance while providing support and scaffolding to help learners meet these expectations. Recognize and celebrate learners' successes, achievements, and efforts to maintain motivation and build confidence. Here are 10 ways to create a welcoming classroom. Number 1, let families get to know you outside the classroom. 2, make lesson plans around your students' interests and learning styles. 3, think about your personality when planning classroom activities. 4, decorate the classroom with welcoming messages and themes. 5, create a positive environment for when students come in. 6, create a safe environment for sharing. 7, go for quantity. 8, boost your students' confidence. 9, encourage creativity and curiosity. And 10, build in some one-on-one time with each student. And this brings us to the end of our course, Classroom Management. Thank you.